What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't seen part 1, 2, 3, or 4, go back quickly, check that out. Meet us back here because this is part 5 and you will not know what happened in the first 4 parts if you do not go check those out. Hey, while you're there, like, subscribe, maybe comment. I don't know, whatever you want to do it. Meet us back here because yes, in this video we will be listening and hearing the RIP Supercharger Heritage Edition. In this video, maybe not today, maybe it will have to be tomorrow morning, but yes, it will be in this video. So yes, I'm running late, so I need to speed up this process. So I'm gonna stop talking. We need to put the intercooler onto the car. We need to put the pipes onto the car, as well as fitting the couplers so everything is tight and snug. So let's do that. The couplers as well as the pipes are fitted tight, nice and snug, and as well as the blow-off valve that I ceased to mention. The blow-off valve is into the car on the piping. The couplers around the throttle body are strong, tight, fitted perfectly, and I will not have to worry about any of those popping off, hopefully. So, in saying that, our next steps will be to put the air filter on the end of the pipes coming out of the supercharger, as well as taking the, let me find it real fast, taking the supercharger crankcase plug out. This is the new plug. The plug that is in it is strictly, I will say it again, strictly for delivering purposes. It is not to be ran with the supercharger. You get a plug. Important. See this? That's why it's yellow. That's important. It says important right on the top. This is important because if you run it, you will blow your supercharger with this plug in it. You need the vented plug. Again, that is the delivering plug. You need the vented plug. And that will be on the left side if you have the charger. Again, if you have the charger, or I'm pretty sure the Challenger, don't quote me on that, you need to remove that plug. You will blow it, void your warranty, and you will be out a lot of money. And they will not help you out. RIP will not help you. So remember, this needs to go in before anything. Okay, so guys, let's do that. Getting late on me, so I hate to do this, but I'm gonna have to catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. Okay guys, enough talking, enough wasting time. I'm here back the next day, and guess what? Yes, we get to listen to the heritage version of the supercharger, the first start. The first start, I'm extremely excited. I am crossing my fingers, hoping I did everything right. You know what? I know I did everything right. I don't even need to worry about it. So let's get right to the video. Let's bang this out. Let's listen. Let's see how this thing purrs. My first time listening is your first time listening. So let's go ahead and check out and see how crazy this supercharger whines. Let's get it. Okay guys, so you heard it here first. That was a quick startup. I can only run it for about 60 seconds before I need to shut it off. I need to check all the parts, make sure there's no leaks. I need to check the supercharger, make sure there's no leaks. I need to check the injectors, make sure there's no leaks, and throw that bumper on, and I need to go for a quick test drive. Remember, there is a 500-mile break-in period, so I can't go that crazy, unfortunately, but Okay guys, no leaks, no issues, no engine light, no nothing. So I just set up a dyno date. Man, I am so excited. If I'm talking too fast or I'm going crazy, maybe you're just listening slow. But what I will tell you is we will be getting this thing dynoed within the next couple days. I will have a video for that. I'll let you know how much power it's gonna make. I'll let you know each and everything going on coming soon to this build and to this channel. With that being said, I'm gonna have to catch you in the next one where we can go ahead and head to the dyno and check out the numbers on this Dodge Charger. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, turn your post notifications on, because we just getting started. We are just getting started. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.